Liquid scintillation counting, MCQs. Which type of radiation is best detected by liquid scintillation counting? A. Alpha. B. Gamma. C. Low energy beta. D. Neutron. The primary role of the solvent in a scintillation cocktail is to A. Emit visible light. B. Absorb radiation energy. C. Detect photons. D. Reduce quenching. Which compound is commonly used as a primary fluor? A. Pop-Pop. B. PPO. C. Xylene. D. Benzene. Secondary fluor in LSC primarily functions to A. Increase radiation emission. B. Shift wavelength to visible region. C. Absorb beta particles. D. Reduce solvent evaporation. Which device converts light photons into electrical signals? A. Geiger tube. B. Ionization chamber. C. Photomultiplier tube. D. Scalar. Which isotope is most difficult to detect without LSC? A. Carbon-14, superscript 1c. B. Phosphorus-32, superscript 3 superscript 2p. C. Tritium, superscript 3h. D. Iodine-131, superscript 1 superscript 3 superscript 1i. Which of the following causes chemical quenching? A. Colored compounds. B. Oxygen. C. High temperature. D. High voltage. In LSC, the term CPM refers to A. Counts per measurement. B. Counts per minute. C. Current per mass. D. Cycles per minute. DPM is calculated from CPM using A. Background subtraction only. B. Efficiency correction. C. Voltage adjustment. D. Temperature correction. Which solvent is considered safer in modern scintillation cocktails? A. Toluene. B. Xylene. C. Diisopropyl naphthalene. D. Benzene. Which process occurs first in LSC? A. Light detection. B. Energy absorption by solvent. C. Fluor emission. D. Pulse amplification. Which of the following is not part of scintillation cocktail? A. Solvent. B. Fluor. C. Detector crystal. D. Wavelength shifter. Color quenching occurs due to A. Oxygen. B. Light absorption by colored compounds. C. Temperature rise. D. Ionization. Which fluor shifts UV light to visible region? A. PPO. B. Pop-Pop. C. Benzene. D. Xylene. Pulse height analyzer is used to A. Increase voltage. B. Sort signals by energy. C. Detect radiation. D. Reduce noise. Which type of counting involves complete dissolution of sample? A. Heterogeneous. B. Homogeneous. C. Solid state. D. Gas counting. Which radiation produces the least scintillation efficiency? A. High energy beta. B. Low energy beta. C. Gamma rays. D. Alpha particles. Which chemical is used as a wavelength shifter? A. PPO. B. PBD. C. Pop-Pop. D. Toluene. Photomultiplier tubes operate based on A. Ionization. B. Photoelectric effect. C. Magnetic induction. D. Thermal emission. Which factor affects counting efficiency most? A. Sample color. B. Tube length. C. Detector size. D. Voltage only. Which isotope emits highest beta energy among the following? A. Tritium, superscript 3h. B. Carbon-14, superscript 1c. C. Phosphorus-32, superscript 3 superscript 2p. D. Sulfur-35, superscript 3s. Optical quenching results from A. Chemical reactions. B. Light scattering. C. Ionization. D. Nuclear decay. Which solvent has highest toxicity? A. Diisopropyl naphthalene. B. Toluene. C. Phenylcyclohexane. D. Mineral oil. Pulse summation is used in A. Single PMT systems. B. Dual PMT coincidence systems. C. Gamma counters. D. Ionization chambers. Coincidence counting helps to A. Increase voltage. B. Reduce background noise. C. Increase quenching. D. Reduce efficiency. Which is not a quenching type? A. Chemical. B. Optical. C. Thermal. D. Color. The main limitation of LSC is A. High cost. B. Quenching. C. Low sensitivity. D. Poor resolution. Which detector is not used in LSC? A. PMT. B. Scalar. C. Semiconductor detector. D. Pulse analyzer. Efficiency of LSC for tritium is approximately A. 5 to 10%. B. 20 to 40%. C. 50 to 70%. D. 80 to 90%. Which process produces scintillation light? A. Ionization only. B. Excitation and excitation. C. Nuclear fission. D. Heat emission. Which factor increases quenching? A. Clear solvent. B. Oxygen presence. C. Proper mixing. D. High purity fluor. Which isotope is commonly used in DNA labeling? A. Tritium, superscript 3h. B. Phosphorus-32, superscript 3 superscript 2p. C. Carbon-14, superscript 1c. D. Sulfur-35, superscript 3s. Which signal is measured in LSC? A. Voltage. B. Current. C. Light pulses. D. Heat. Which component amplifies electrical signals? A. Fluor. B. PMT. C. Amplifier. D. Solvent. Which is a disadvantage of toluene? A. Low efficiency. B. High toxicity. C. Low solubility. D. Poor transparency. Which step follows fluor excitation? A. Ionization. B. Photon emission. C. Heat generation. D. Decay. Which technique is best for biological samples? A. GM counter. B. Ionization chamber. C. Liquid scintillation counting. D. Solid scintillation. Which unit is SI unit of radioactivity? A. CPM. B. DPM. C. Curie. D. Becquerel. Which factor improves detection sensitivity? A. Quenching. B. Proper cocktail composition. C. Colored samples. D. Oxygen presence. Which type of emission is primarily measured in LSC? A. Gamma. B. Alpha. C. Beta. D. Neutron. Liquid scintillation counting, answers with explanations. 1 correct answer, C. Low energy beta. Explanation, LSC is optimized for detecting low energy beta emitters like tritium, superscript 3H, which cannot be efficiently detected by GM counters. 2 correct answer, B. Absorb radiation energy. Explanation, the solvent absorbs kinetic energy from radiation and transfers it to fluor molecules. 3 correct answer, B. PPO. Explanation, PPO is the most common primary fluor, responsible for converting excitation energy into UV photons. 4 correct answer, B. Shift wavelength to visible region. Explanation, secondary fluors, example pop-up, convert UV light into visible light, improving detection. 5 correct answer, C. Photomultiplier tube. Explanation, PMTs detect photons via the photoelectric effect and amplify them into measurable electrical pulses. 6 correct answer, C. Tritium, superscript 3H. Explanation, tritium, superscript 3H, emits extremely low energy beta particles, 18 keV, requiring LSC for detection. 7 correct answer, B. Oxygen. Explanation, oxygen causes chemical quenching by competing for excitation energy. 8 correct answer, B. Counts per minute. Explanation, CPM is the raw count rate detected by the instrument. 9 correct answer, B. Efficiency correction. Explanation, DPM is calculated as DPM equals CPM/efficiency, correcting for detector losses. 10 correct answer, C. Diisopropyl naphthalene. Explanation, it is a less toxic, safer modern solvent compared to toluene/xylene. 11 correct answer, B. Energy absorption by solvent. Explanation, first step is excitation of solvent molecules by radiation. 12 correct answer, C. Detector crystal. Explanation, crystals are used in solid scintillation, not liquid cocktails. 13 correct answer, B. Light absorption by colored compounds. Explanation, colored substances absorb emitted light rightward arrow color quenching. 14 correct answer, B. Pop-up. Explanation, pop-up acts as a secondary fluor, shifting UV rightward arrow visible light. 15 correct answer, B. Sort signals by energy. Explanation, pulse height analyzer separates pulses based on energy levels. 16 correct answer, B. Homogeneous. Explanation, in homogeneous counting, sample is fully dissolved in cocktail. 17 correct answer, C. Gamma rays. Explanation, gamma rays interact weakly with liquid rightward arrow low efficiency in LSC. 18 correct answer, C. Pop-up. Explanation, it functions as a wavelength shifter. 19 correct answer, B. Photoelectric effect. Explanation, PMTs operate on photoelectron emission and amplification. 20 correct answer, A. Sample color. Explanation, color causes light absorption, reducing detection efficiency. 21 correct answer, C. Phosphorus 32. Explanation, phosphorus 32, superscript 3 superscript 2p, emits high energy beta, 1.71 MeV. 22 correct answer, B. Light scattering. Explanation, optical quenching occurs due to scattering or absorption of light. 23 correct answer, B. Toluene. Explanation, toluene is toxic and volatile, posing safety concerns. 24 correct answer, B. Dual PMT coincidence systems. Explanation, 2 PMTs detect signals simultaneously rightward arrow improves accuracy. 25 correct answer, B. Reduce background noise. Explanation, coincidence counting eliminates random noise signals. 26 correct answer, C. Thermal. Explanation, thermal quenching is not a standard category in LSC. 27 correct answer, B. Quenching. Explanation, quenching reduces light output rightward arrow major limitation. 28 correct answer, C. Semiconductor detector. Explanation, semiconductor detectors are used in solid-state systems, not LSC. 29 correct answer, C. 50 to 70%. Explanation, efficiency for tritium is moderate due to low energy emission. 30 correct answer, B. Excitation and excitation. Explanation, light emission occurs when excited molecules return to ground state. 31 correct answer, B. Oxygen presence. Explanation, oxygen leads to chemical quenching. 32 correct answer, B. Phosphorus 32. Explanation, phosphorus 32, superscript 3 superscript 2p, is widely used in DNA labeling. 33 correct answer, C. Light pulses. Explanation, LSC measures scintillation light pulses, not direct radiation. 34 correct answer, C. Amplifier. Explanation, amplifier boosts electrical signals from PMT. 35 correct answer, B. High toxicity. Explanation, toluene is hazardous rightward arrow replaced in modern cocktails. 36 correct answer, B. Photon emission. Explanation, excited fluor releases energy as photons, light. 37 correct answer, C. Liquid scintillation counting. Explanation, best method for biological radioactive samples. 38 correct answer, D. Becquerel. Explanation, SI unit equals 1 disintegration per second. 39 correct answer, B. Proper cocktail composition. Explanation, efficient solvent plus fluor equals better signal output. 40 correct answer, C, beta. Explanation, LSC is mainly used for beta radiation detection.